What's up, players? We got the $200 truck behind me right here. So if you haven't been following me, this is gonna be the build video. You guys are gonna see from start to finish, from this thing to this thing. So enough sneak peek, let's start it from the beginning. Did you feel it?
Ooh, that's a little rough.
This guy's still on this little.
Hey, can I get power? Can I get some power? He's got me using a, what is that? A 22 gauge extension cord.
It's not about the tools. It's about the workmanship.
Oh, it's the guy holding the tool, right?
Yeah.
Well, I fixed it. There you go. You're welcome. For Autobot.
Why are you doing all this extra work? They're gonna look down here and see my welded nut down here.
What the fuck is that?
Pretty good, man. Pretty good. Pretty good. Look at that.
How'd I do?
Just throw that piece of pizza on the side right now, yeah? If you take about like 10 steps back.
And you squint your eyes and make
And you
stand in the dark, it looks kind of good.
From here, it looks f***ing hard.
It does.
But from every other angle, it looks like shit.
On camera, it looks blue. In person, it looks green.
In 1 hour, let's go.
This thing, we painted it, and I covered the front because I thought it would match, but yeah, it doesn't. So. Oh my God! It's cold. Look. We're painting in the dark, so I don't have to look at it till it's done, and we're calling it good. But look, this came out pretty cool. Nice strips everywhere. Anyways, we have this thing masked up for the 3rd time. Basically making blue paint at this point. Nice.
Now this is still lighter than this one.
More blue, more blue, more blue. Freaking out over here.
I like how it's just your.
Yep. We used a scale the first time we did this.
Yeah, if we just hired someone else to
Oh,
do it.
fuck. That was a lot of blue.
Oh shit.
Well, guess you gotta send it. Now to Kicks Customs, man. Fuck.
What happened?
You guys at home right now, you're probably laughing your asses off this whole entire video. Well, you're stressed, man. I don't know what I'm doing.
Keeler almost cried 5 times.
6. Look at what we're doing. We gotta throw some more hardener in there because this is not drying. You gotta leave in like 10 minutes. You know what I'm saying?
We have 5 minutes full.
That's a lot.
Shit.
So is there blue paint on my face?
Yes.
Oh my God.
You want a towel? Oh my God.
What do I paint first now? What? They're both evenly as f***ed up as they are. So I think we're there. What do you guys think? The car is officially done. We're gonna take all this stuff off in the morning. I'll throw the grill on, and we'll see how bad of a job I did. Bow.
Ooh, let's do a before and after. You ready? Before. Any final words for the kids out there who want to be painters?
Be painters. Make sure you find somebody that sands your car down first so you can just paint it, because that's the worst part. It's the prep and the tape and this and that. But the painting part's fun, even though you might not know what you're doing.